has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Trying yet another new spot. Let's see how it does. Flying kind of low, 37 feet. In normal mode again. Had close to 100% battery when I first lifted off. It's making me do a compass calibration every time now. Those are the Elkhorn Mountains up there. It's a pretty good size range. I'm flying out of Boulder, Montana right now. Alright, coming up on 1 mile. Right there. 5,280. And we're over 2 miles. We've had no wind warnings. The wind's practically non-existent right now.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
I'm at 70% battery. I want to push it to 15,000. That's my first weak signal warning. So we'll take it to 15,000 and see what happens. Gonna gain some altitude because the hill's climbing up. Let's see, I'm at 67% battery. Take it up to 200 foot. Okay, over 15,000. I won't go past 60% battery. Let's see how far I can get this thing. Still got great connectivity. This Occusync 2 is awesome. Coming up on 16,000. Just a normal mode. Looks like I'm at 64% battery. Alright. Well, I've never made it this far with the Mini and made it back. But the connectivity is great. Let's take it to 17,000, then I'll turn it around. Alright, got 100 feet to go. That's it. I'm done. I'm bringing it back. Pretty warm day out, so just gonna cruise on back. In fact, I'm gonna return to home.
Go home.
When you hit return to home, it'll pick the fastest route back. Now when I did with the Mini, I was not sitting in a vehicle. Let's take a look at the map. Oh, there we go. Let's try satellite. So it's basically going to follow the road back. I'm not too worried about that. That big mountain on the left is Boulder Mountain. Man, I'm cruising back at 23 miles an hour. Already down to 14,000 feet. So here's where I first start to notice some serious visual disruption. Now everything was working fine until this point, and I don't know if it had something to do with bringing up the map or what caused it. But earlier in the day I had done a range test and gone over 12,000 feet and returned it back to where I was and didn't have any of this disruption. However, I didn't use maps. So my question for DJI is, what caused this? The funny part is, the closer I got to home, the worse it seemed to get. However, the SD recording wasn't affected. At this point, the FPV was so bad I was forced to bring up the map to make sure I was going the right direction. The only other time I've experienced this kind of visual disruption was when I used motor covers on the original Mavic Mini. Be nice if I had good visual. Make this a little easier.
Critically low battery.
900 feet. There I am. Wow. It's like right above me. I don't realize why it's so choppy. And here comes the wind.
Landing.
So there you go, 5% and it auto lands.
Landing.
Okay, so it's right in my hand and it's still choppy. Weird. Well, 17,000 feet, folks. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.